February 2020, Vienna, Austria. The feeling just creeps in. Slowly, the prison walls are more visible. I told myself it would be 3 years. 3 years to get my degree and I'd be out again. Staying at a place for too long is just not my thing. It seems to come natural to me to move around. That's why I love traveling. I can't deal with too much of the sameness. The world has much to offer and it would be a shame to just keep on focusing on one place. But life moves forward. I collected that degree, so why am I still here? Well, I told myself I'd be finding something else to do, like get a job, make money, settle down. Yeah, sure, but not here. Not now, not like this. I have to keep going. I was able to make the best out of my stay here already. Staying fit, eating well, helping other people to become fit and find their passion. And now I will travel the world, showing people how to do it. It's a motivational concept, just like in my Have Your Adventure transformation program. The better it works for me, the more inspiring it is for others. And where to go? Well, South America. I've never been there, but I came close. In my last travels, I made it all the way from the US to Panama. Half a year in Central America. That was an adventure. But now it's time for me to move further south. I want to see Colombia, Peru, Argentina, Brazil. I want to see all these countries in South America. And how to pull it off? A new country every 3 months. Just long enough to have, time to work on projects, something that, pays the bills. And then travel and discover other places. And after 3 months, the tourist visa expires and the next country is on the list. I call it my quarter-yearly living challenge. How long will I pull it off? Well, it depends. Maybe a year or 2 or 3, who cares? I keep on moving. Nothing can stop me from doing that. March 16th, 2020. The whole city of Vienna is under lockdown. The world is playing crazy. Official offices are closed. I don't even have my passport renewed. How can I get out of this country? Seems like your crazy travel trip is not gonna work out, huh? Yeah, aren't friends the best? Super encouraging in the face of defeat. Well, I don't let myself get stopped by suppressive governments. There's always a way. Travel isn't outlawed yet. Well, at least it was just outlawed temporarily. But after a few weeks, it was clear that planes will fly again and travel will be possible. Maybe just for a short window though. These lockdowns were a clear sign that I needed to leave as soon as possible. It was just gonna get worse. And if I'm forced to be locked down somewhere, I at least want to do it in a country where there's warm weather and sunshine. How's this all gonna work out? Well, I will tell you what you need to do. Watch how the journey continues in the next episode of the Adventure Escape Diaries. Until then, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and check out my other content on haveyouradventure.com.